If the Techmate Pro indicates the ECM module is unresponsive, focus immediately on confirming whether the control module or another component is at fault. Start by rechecking connections and power at the module with the Techmate Pro and a handheld multimeter, because loose pins or low supply voltage are common root causes. Verify that the Techmate Pro itself is functioning by testing it on a known good module or using its self-test functions. Since a faulty scanner can mimic an unresponsive module, measure the input voltage at the ECM power and ground pins with the ignition in the correct state and compare to manufacturer specifications. And if voltage is below acceptable thresholds, trace back to fuses, relays, and harness damage. Check for correct communication signaling on the data lines by observing waveform patterns or steady voltage levels as specified in the service manual, since corrupted or absent bus signals will prevent a response. Inspect for corrosion, bent terminals, water intrusion, or thermal damage at the module connector, because physical degradation often causes intermittent or complete communication failure. If you get clear evidence of correct power, ground, and communication from other modules but still no response from the ECM, prepare to replace the ECM control module and plan to program or configure the replacement per manufacturer procedures. 3 common mistakes are replacing the module without confirming supply and signals, assuming the scanner is always reliable, and overlooking connector or harness faults. Replacing the module first wastes time and money when the problem is a blown fuse or bad ground, so always verify voltage and continuity before buying parts. Trusting the Techmate Pro without cross-checking can lead to misdiagnosis, so validate the tool on a known good circuit or use a simple multimeter as a secondary check. Ignoring physical connector issues is frequent, so always clean, repair, or replace corroded terminals and secure pins before condemning the ECM. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate trusted local contractors for advanced diagnostics and repairs, and it helps contractors find new work in their service area. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange troubleshooting tips and real-world experiences.